Hello, beautiful lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. This is Hillary with Hillary's Happy Nails, and today we're talking about all the manicures I wore in the month of June. I wore a ton of different manis and did lots of nail art for Glam Nails Challenge, so we'll get started right away. The first manicure that I did was Pride Nails, and I used a bunch of OPI polishes. I'm pulling them out over here, so one second. The first polish I used, we'll zoom in, was OPI's Alpine Snow, and I wore this on my thumbs for the clouds. Then I used Big Apple Red for my red polish. I used Feelin' Fire for my orange. I used Marigolden Hour for my yellow. For my green, I used Priceless. For blue, I used Ring in the Blue Year. For my purple, I used All Is Berry and Bright. For my indigo, I used I Can Buy Myself Violets. And for my pink, I used Telenovela Me About It. And I used Black Flake Taco to zhuzh this up the next day to give it a little bit of character. I wanted to play around a little bit and do something fun. So I put Black Flake Taco on top of it, and I'll show a picture of that here. And I loved how these turned out. These were my Pride nails for the month. Next, on the second, I wore The Price is Alexandrite. This is the birthstone polish from Holo Taco for the month of June. And I wore this. This is absolutely stunning. It's like a multi-chrome blue purple, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love this polish. June is my birth month, so I was excited to wear this polish for the month of June. So that is The Price is Alexandrite. On third, for Glam Nails Challenge, I did crab nails, and for these I used Beach Please from Holo Taco, and you can see there is a pretty significant fill line, so I did buy myself a backup because this polish is gone at Holo Taco. It's in their retirement rack. So if you haven't picked this up, I highly recommend it. It is a great polish for sandy, beachy nails. It is super fun, and it is absolutely stunning. It has such a beautiful hollow glitter in it. This one is just absolutely gorgeous. So highly recommended. This is Holo Taco's Beach Please, and I use this for my crab nails for Glam Nails Challenge. And then I went to a concert for Kesha, and I used Holo Taco's Trick or Trash. And I did not take a picture of this. I feel so sad that I missed out on taking a picture of this. But this is an absolutely stunning polish with all these little flakies in it of these different colors. It was such a pretty manicure. So hold on one second. Let me make sure I'm not, there we go. So this was Trick or Trash from Holo Taco that I wore on the 5th to the Kesha concert. Next, I used OPI's Susie Takes a Sound Bath, and these were for seashell nails for Glam Nails Challenge. And these turned out super pretty. This polish is so beautiful with the shimmer in it. It was absolutely stunning on the nails. I really enjoyed this manicure. So this was for my seashell nails that I did on the 7th, and that's Susie Takes a Sound Bath. Next, I wore Kathleen & Co. This is Under the Stars, and I got this at Polish and Beauty Expo when I went in 2022. This is a stunning blue polish with a pink shimmer and a reflective glitter in it. You can definitely see that reflective glitter popping under the light. This was so beautiful. I tried to get a picture of it with the flash, but it just didn't turn out the best. The picture didn't turn out the best. So the picture that I have is without the flash. This is still a stunning polish, very, very pretty on the nails. So that was Kathleen & Co. Under the Stars, and I wore this on the 9th. Next, I did palm tree nails, and I used some more OPI polishes for my base. I once again went back to Alpine Snow. And then for my ombre, I used 3 OPI polishes. This is Mikasa S Blue Casa, the stunning blue. I used this pink, and this is No Turning Back from Pink Street. Perfect pink. And lastly, I use this yellow Exotic Birds Do Not Tweet. And these were palm tree nails that I did once again for Glam Nails Challenge. I love how these turned out. They were super pretty. And Uber Chic Beauty, sorry, I had to think for a second, actually used these nails in their advertisement for their summer stamping plates. So that was really, really cool. So that was OPI's Exotic Birds Do Not Tweet, and those were for palm tree nails. Next up on the 11th, I wore this stunning polish from Great Lakes Lacquer. This is the Crystal Knows All, and this is a stunning shimmery duochrome polish. And I'll share the picture here on the screen. So that is the Crystal Knows All. And once again, I wore these on the 11th. Then I decided to wear KB Shimmer. And this is Lake It Easy. And once again, I got this in Polish and Beauty Expo back in 2022. This was inspired by Chicago. So, because that's where PBE is. So this is what I wore on the 13th. On the 14th, for Glam Nails Challenge again, I wore C'est La Vie, and these were for starfish nails. These turned out super cute. This is such a pretty polish. The bottle shot doesn't do it as much justice as I would love it to, but this is a stunning polish. Super pretty, lots of glitter in here. So that was C'est La Vie. And then on my natural nails, I did a little Skittle Mani featuring Zoya, which I did receive most of these in PR. This is Avani, this stunning green. And then the next one I used was Taji, this gorgeous yellow with a silvery shimmer in it. And then lastly, for this mixed mani, I wore Pinky. And I did receive these in PR from Zoya, so thank you for sending these my way. Next, I did on the 17th, I did water nails, and I used Sky High from Holo Taco for the water design for Glam Nails Challenge on Instagram. So these turned out super, super pretty with this blue jelly polish. And then on my natural nails, once again, I did Glam Polish. And this was I Was Just Totally Clueless, which is inspired by Cher from Clueless, the movie. This is from their Hollywood Heroines collection. I have all of those polishes, and I did do a video over these well, over the glam polishes that I own. So I will link that video in the up in the corner. So this is from Glam Polish, and these turned out just absolutely stunning. I love this polish. It's a little different than your normal polish, but it's super pretty, and I love how it looks on the nails. Then I wore on the 19th this stunning polish from Cadillacquer, and this is Flower Field Horizon. It's this gorgeous purple crelly with these beautiful red glitters in it. Such a pretty polish. So I wore these on the 19th. Then on the 21st, I did hibiscus nails for Glam Nails Challenge. And for my background, I used A Rose for You by Penelope Luz. Ooh. There we go. Sorry, it's so shaky. These turned out really, really pretty. I loved how these turned out. So those were for hibiscus nails, and that was on the 21st. Then on the 22nd, on my natural nails, I did another mixed mani, and I wanted something bright and colorful. So I pulled out Color Club, and I used Peppermint Twist for my pink, and Color Club's Catch a Fire for my orange. And these were a beautiful combo together for a pretty mixed mani. On the 24th, I wore for Glam Nails Challenge 2 polishes. I picked up Holo Taco's Meltdown, which is this gorgeous tealy blue jelly polish. And I used Never Tied Down by Holo Taco, which is this gorgeous aqua teal, turquoise, whatever color you want to call it, glittery, metallic-y polish. So these turned out really cute. These were for Shark Nails for Glam Nails Challenge. And then I did a video also, a little get to know me, and I used KB Shimmer's Easy Glowing. And these I wore on my natural nails on the 24th. And I did do a little get to know me video for summer. So I will pin that in the cards so you can check that video out if you haven't seen it already. So this was Easy Glowing by KB Shimmer. Next, on the 27th, which was my birthday, I chose ILNP, and I wanted to wear this polish that I have on now. This is called Sweet Pea. It is very holographic, and it's this beautiful pinky nude color with this gorgeous hollow glitter in it. Very, very pretty. So I put this on the 27th on my natural nails, and I wore this till the end of the month. And then for Glam Nails Challenge, I did ice cream nails, and these turned out super, super cute. And I wore a bunch of I used a bunch of Holo Tacos for these. So for my shell, I used Ginger Snatched and Brownie Points. And then for the ice cream colors, I used Holo Taco's Resting Peach for my orange, Pinky Swear for my pink strawberry ice cream, Holo Taco's Serial Killer for my ube ice cream, and Crime and Punishment from Holo Taco for my mint ice cream. So these were for the ice cream nails for Glam Nails Challenge on the 28th. So those are all the polishes that I wore and used for nail art in the month of June. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you have any of these polishes? Did you wear any of these polishes, like the Holo Tacos, The Price is Alexandrite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and you made it this far, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one.